What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Matic. We've been seeing a nice push. So we're sitting at 52 cents. We're up 9% on the day. Market cap 5.22 billion, 25 volume 569 million. So huge impulse to the upside, which is typical of a wave 3. So we could be looking at a 1-2 pushing up into 3. Now if we just continue to push up from here, it means the wave 3 is not finished yet. But if we take trend-based fib extension from the bottom of 1 to the top to the bottom of 2. We have pushed up to the 138.2 and the normal target is the 161.8, so the wave 3 can push a bit higher, which is at about 56 cents. If we were to pull back from here, then this is your pullback zone to watch in the wave 4. But as of right now, beautiful impulse to the upside. As we can see on the daily time frame, we're just pushing back above the daily EMAs. So if we can hold them and see the bullish cross, just as we did right here, massive push to the upside, bullish cross right here, massive push to the upside. So if we can stay above them and create the bullish cross, and we could see a turnaround, this correction could be over and we could see a nice push to the upside. But as of right now, in the smaller time frames, we may push a little bit higher, up towards 56 cents. To complete that wave 3 before pulling back in the 4. But if we do pull back deeper from here, look for a reaction in between 0.469 and 0.506. That's what we're looking at for Matic. Make sure to join my trading group, which includes my Forex signals as well as my daily crypto analysis. It's completely free. We're killing it on Forex this month. We're already up 48% added to the account. So as an example, if you had a $100,000 account, you're risking 2% per trade. That's $48,000 that you would make in a month. If you have a $10,000 account, you can do the math. In my daily crypto analysis for many coins, click the Discord link. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world for trading crypto. 10% back on your fees on every single trade, including North America, no KYC, no VPN. You can trade futures, spot, you can invest, whatever you like. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.